on, guys? Today we're making old fashions two ways. The first is more traditional and the second a bit of a modern take. For this, we're going to start with our sugar. We're going to do 1 sugar cube, or about 1 teaspoon. 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then with a muddler, you want to smash the sugar. Add your ice, and then we're going to do 2 full ounces of bourbon whiskey. But if that spicy bite from rye is preferred, that can be used as well. Then mix everything together inside the glass, stirring very well, because our goal here is to make sure to incorporate all of that sugar. The benefit of using a large cube when mixing this way is that smaller cubes are going to melt faster, further diluting your drink, especially as it sits later on. Cut off an orange peel, express the oils above the drink, and rub it around the rim. Give it a quick stir, and there you go. Traditional style, old-fashioned. So in this next way, it's a way that I think can really elevate your old-fashioned. So this time we're going to be building it in a mixing glass, and we're going to start off with our bourbon, 2 full ounces. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of Demerara sugar syrup, not granulated sugar. The benefit to this is you're not concerned about the sugar dissolving since it's already in liquid form, so then there's no chance that you have grains of sugar still sitting at the bottom of your glass, making the drink sweeter as it slowly dissolves. This time we're doing 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and 1 of orange. Add in your ice and then stir. Mixing this way prevents you from pre-melting the ice that your drink's going to be sitting in. Strain it out into your ice-filled glass. We're going to do both an orange and lemon zest. Expressing the oils of the citrus is important. Don't skip this step. It will really enhance your cocktail. You're literally squeezing the oils out over the glass, enhancing the taste and adding the aromatics. There you go, my preferred old-fashioned. But hey, you guys tell me. Comment below and tell me which one you preferred, or how you like your old-fashioned.